Hey guys, this is Kai, and today what I want to do is I want to share with you my earnings that I have for my YouTube channel. For those of you who have your own YouTube channel and are interested in kind of getting into this. And my YouTube channel currently at the making of this is around 2,600 people as far as subscribers go. And this video is going to show you exactly what I'm earning now that I'm monetized with YouTube, and everything's really just going to be about what I make in my YouTube revenue. So all of this is going to be about what I make with my YouTube revenue as far as my YouTube ads go. So before we get started, I want to make sure that I thank everybody who is liking and sharing and commenting, even if it's the bad ones, which if you do this, you're going to get them. But I appreciate you supporting the channel, and so make sure that you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure that you share. So let's get started with this. I just want to say thank you for everybody who's checking out the channel. So let's get going. So as we get started into this, one of the big things that you're going to have to remember is that all YouTubers are going to make different incomes because it's based on a lot of different things. It's going to be based on what they're talking about, what exactly is on their channel, the demographic that they are going towards, a lot of different things. So just kind of keep that in mind, because my channel, getting my size subscribers, may not be the same as somebody getting the same amount of subscribers. It may be more, maybe less. It's just different. So maybe this just kind of gives you a little peek into someone with this many people, this many subscribers, and this many views on their channel at this period of time. Another thing to think about whenever you're watching this video is that in this video I'm really only going to be talking about my YouTube ad revenue as far as my YouTube commercials go, the ads that are shown on my YouTube channel. That's where I'm making the money that you see shown here. I'm not, at this point, I have no sponsors. I'm not talking about any other sort of revenue streams, nothing other than the basic YouTube channel and the commercials coming in for that channel. So make sure you keep that in mind. And one of my goals with this video is to show you where I'm at right now versus maybe in 6 months, maybe in a year, and share with you the growth or the crash of this channel, and that way you can kind of see how it all works out and plays out for somebody on YouTube if you're interested in it. So there's that. So let's take a look at my YouTube analytics. That way you guys can see exactly where I'm at. So let's do that. So here we are on my channel right here, and you can see at this point I have 2,652 subscribers. And let's go to our analytics right here. And here's the moolah. If you want to take a look at our estimated revenue for this month, it's at $354. Now this is not what I've made so far this month. This is just an estimated based on their algorithm and what have you. I think currently we're at July 7th, and I think I've made about $64 or something like that. So that's just kind of what they're analyzing it to be. You can see my channel views are up, and a lot of the videos on my channel has to do with summertime type of things, or unboxing of items that have to do with summertime, like lawnmowers, chainsaws, things like that. So that's a lot of my channels, but for real, my channel is really about what I do in my normal day life. So anyway, here's our views. Watch time, I have about 2.1 thousand more hours than usual, 89 more subscribers than usual. So I've had a lot of growth during the summer as far as more people watching, as well as more clicks and longer view times. So let's go over here to our revenue, because that's what we're always interested in, right? And here it is over the month of June and July. So right here is my estimated revenue, 354, as I was talking about before. Here's my RPMs, 7.90. And what this really means is it's an estimated that I make about $7.90 per 1,000 views, or you can kind of read it right there. and playback is down. But if you really want to kind of see what you make per day, say June 11th, I made $10, $11.96, $16 here on the 12th, and you can just kind of scroll here and see that I make a little bit of money each day, which adds up to $354. So I'm not a millionaire yet by any means or anything like that, but it's a little bit, and hopefully it grows a little bit more. And yeah, so let's keep going into this. So as I scroll down, we can kind of see what I did for each month. February, $166, March, $307. Like I said, a lot of my videos have to do more with summer, and that's where my revenue kind of goes up. I maxed out there at $457 in May, and then June dropped off a little bit, and hopefully July does okay, but we'll kind of see how that goes. Here's my top videos. I have a smoker, weed eater, and it kind of gives you what I've been making over my past 28 days for each of these videos. We can continue to scroll down. There's my estimated ad revenue, what I've made off of YouTube Premium, which is really not anything to gawk about. But my ad types right here, skippable video ads, is about 74%. So right here you're going to see what I'm kind of making off of my videos right here. I'll go a little bit slower, but so for the estimated month, my little smoker, my weed eater, and you'll see the majority of the money that I'm making is really off of maybe these let's go with these, maybe these top 5, 6, 7 videos right in here, and then some of the more unpopular videos kind of drop off, and then they drop off quite a bit and what have you. But you can kind of see what I'm making off of that. There are RPMs. That gives you like a little breakdown. Estimated monetized playbacks. Gives you that percentage level. You can kind of see, like I said, the top 5. Well, even this one gives a 6.4%, but then there's a drop again, little bumps. And even though some of them have less numbers, then some of them got higher percentages and things like that. My views and my watch time hours. So currently right now I'm at 2,060 hours. My views 46. And if we look at my channel kind of overall, my lifetime, I currently have 1.12 million views and 85 videos at the time of this video. So if you want to look even deeper into this, we can kind of look at the date right here. So let's look at that. And here we are. So it kind of shows you how much I'm making per day. Kind of similar as before. And you can kind of change what you're looking at right here. But if we look down here, you can have a larger breakdown, and you can kind of slow this down and take a look at what I'm making, what the percentage of watch time hours is, things like that. My estimated revenue per day. So I started this channel probably about 4 or 5 years ago, and honestly, I started it because I do a lot of projects. You know how you do a project, and you're like, well, how did I do that if you have to end up doing it again? So I kind of did it just as a project, so I could take video of something that I did and did not forget how I did it. So I made this channel based on that, just kind of like my daily life. And I have another YouTube channel that really didn't take off, but unfortunately, because that's really one of my more passions, and it's an art channel video, or an art video channel. But as we look on here, you can kind of see the growth of this one. There's a lot less saturation in the market for these types of videos. So we can take a look right here and kind of see how everything is playing out over the course of the last few months. And we really kind of peaked around here in March and May, and then we went right back down. So once again, you can kind of see everything broken down right here, and the date analytics, and you can always come in here and just look at 1 year and see how it plays out. So I was not monetized right here because YouTube changed their monetization rules, and then I finally got monetized, and you can kind of see how it built. So in the past year, I went from, let's see, April, I made about $45, $47 in April, something like that. So if we look at the analytics on this page right here, this is going to give how much I've made on some of these items. And this Troy built, this video right here, this Troy built lawnmower, I actually did not buy. This is not something I bought. This was a present for my brother who was injured, and I had to mow his lawn for a good period of time. And instead of bringing my mower over, he was going to eventually be able to use this. So my mother got him this, and I drove it for quite a while and then did a review on it. So this is something I did not purchase, but I've made $395 on it, but that has taken a few years to get that. Something else, I was going to get a smoker. I wanted a smoker, and since I'm not a millionaire, I got a cheaper smoker. And this is the smoker I got, but it was also one of Amazon's most highly rated smokers. So this is the one I purchased. I showed myself unboxing it. I showed myself cooking on it, and it's been over a year. I still love this smoker, so FYI, take a look at this smoker. It's really freaking awesome. But I think at the time, the smoker cost me about 150 bucks, and I've been lucky enough to make about 318 on it. So the smoker, just by filming the smoker, it paid for itself. So that's kind of the cool thing about this. Maybe I'm not going to become a millionaire on this channel, but some of the things that I'm going to do in my daily life, which is this whole channel is my daily life, and it's allows me to make a little bit extra money. I will not say it's passive income like a lot of these people say. It is not a passive income. You do have to kind of keep up with it, but as you can see, some of my top videos, here's that one, 186,000 views. Another one with a mower, 154. I made a plasma cannon, which that was awesome. I really love this one, 114,000. And then my smoker, 84,000 views. Of course, my car. But guys, that is really it. Hopefully that kind of gives you a window into what it looks like to have a YouTube channel with 2,600 subscribers, 1.12 million views, and how much revenue I'm actually bringing in without sponsors, without any of that other crap that everybody has. It's a small channel, and this is what you get sometimes. So if you're doing a YouTube channel, I hope that you do better than me, and I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and for all of you that already have, I thank you so much for helping this channel grow, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.